Hi everybody, I'm Norma the chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're gonna go over the spread that we have for our Thanksgiving bundle. What we have to offer is our 2018 Ridgecrest Riesling and also our 2017 Sunset Ridge Pinot Noir, a spice blend, and some homemade cranberry jam. In addition to the jarred goods and the wines for this bundle, you'll also be receiving recipe cards to all of the dishes here on the table, including my famous Brussels sprouts, some fluffy, buttery dinner rolls, as well as a spiced Basque pumpkin cheesecake. You will also receive the recipe for the harvest salad dressing. In this particular salad, I have some kale from our garden here at the winery, shallots, roasted sweet potatoes, dried cranberries, a little bit of goat cheese, and some candied pecans. And then of course, to finish it off, I have a whole roasted chicken. Whether you're having a large gathering or a smaller gathering for Thanksgiving, whether it be chicken or turkey, the spice rub is gonna go perfect with either. For the wine, the reasons that I've chosen these two to go with my miniature little Thanksgiving feast here is simply because the Ridgecrest Riesling is a little bit on the drier side, and it goes excellent with the fattiness of the cheesecake, the nice fattiness of the skin of the bird, and of course the buttery rolls pairs wonderfully, and it has a little bit of citrus notes that go amazing with all of these dishes. I'm gonna try it too. Yeah, it's very fresh, crisp, perfect for fall, wonderful wine. And next to it, we have the 2017 Sunset Ridge, and this wine is just so versatile. It goes amazing with everything, and it pairs especially well, again, with the cranberry jam. One of my most favorite things about this time of year is Thanksgiving. It's actually my favorite holiday, and I love it so much because there's such an abundance of food, and my entire family is around, and we also just get to come together and cook together and have a couple of glasses of wine together. So happy holidays to all of you guys, and cheers to every single one of you.